Hey everyone, today I will show you how to check and read emails in Gmail, and here's how it is done. This will work both on the Gmail app and web browser. Method 1. Use the filter button. Open your mail client. Access the mail app or web browser you use for Gmail, such as the built-in mail app on iPhone or Android. Use the filter button or the three lines. Look for a filter option often found at the top left or bottom left. Tap Filter by Unread to display only your unread emails. Method 2. In the search bar at the top, type label unread. Press search and Gmail will show all unread emails. Once an email is read, it will be removed from this filtered view. Both methods help you focus on unread emails, making inbox management more efficient. And that is everything you need to know about how to check and read email in Gmail. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.